Young Dude 26, say what's up to the camera.
So what we get. So what we don't sleep. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out. That's
What's up YouTube? This is Elite Alienated 12. The products I'm gonna be using are not this. They Tropical Roots products. I used to use the Firm Locking Gel, but I ran out of it, so now I'm using the Twist and Locks Twist Cream. Smell good. It smell like. It don't smell good no more. It used to smell good. Smell it. But that's how I look inside. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that. A bottle of warm water. And this just for sometimes, like, I'm gonna use this to get shampoo in my hair before I start using it. Because all my hair not locked, so I'm not gonna just shampoo it regular. Alright. Let's get this thing started, dog.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
work. Diamonds all in my brain. Gold watches, gold chain. 100,000 champagne. Yeah, my money insane. Yeah, I'm making it rain. But I was just on a plane. Buying gear, flying here. What you heard is my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm letting the alarms up so I get love for that. Stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet for it's on the rack. Was out there in Hawaii, now I'm going back. I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up, and my family here, and they playing the road. So the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work. Pop your pretty ears up in this car. I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Bitch, walk in the building, I own shit. You can tell by who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, talking about grown shit. Too busy taking my swag. Need to fuck around, get your own shit. Get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own smoke, get your own beer. You ain't rapping my game, get your own click. The bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's where I come from, the only thing we know is go hard. Make sure you do whatever it is that you gotta do. That's your job. And you gon' hate, but that's no problem. Some people don't need nothing from them. Some people talking, but they claim it don't mean nothing. It's straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffing. OG. And been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me. Most people don't see. The bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine. Cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill.
That boy been working out. Look at him. Yeah, follow my journey. Shout out to your listeners. Subscribe to Young Dude 26. Subscribe to this little vibe. Try to spoken music as my boy. And guess what? Deuces, I'm out. Whack it, whack it, whack it.